This is the Wayne Gretzky Sports Centre in Brantford, Ontario. And here's the first thing most people get wrong. This building has nothing to do with Wayne Gretzky. Well, not originally anyways. It was built in 1972. Gretzky was only 11 years old, still playing minor hockey in the city, nowhere near the NHL. Back then, this place was called the North Park Recreation Centre. Just a regular community, regular rec center. So how did his name end up on the building? Gretzky just finished a season that's still one of the greatest in hockey history. 50 goals in 39 games, over 200 points. First Canadian to be named as an Associated Press Male Athlete of the Year. The city of Brantford looked at what their kid had just done and decided that the rec center needed a new name. That July, North Park became the Wayne Gretzky Sports Centre. And this is where you really feel it. This isn't just a name on a building, it's a hometown that's genuinely proud of one of its own. There's an actual second monument here too, one a lot of visitors miss. In 2023, the city unveiled a public art piece honoring Walter Gretzky, Wayne Gretzky's father, who was also Brantford's honorary Lloyd Mayor. It's an abstract sculpture of a net and an oversized puck surrounded by hockey sticks, meant to symbolize something Walter used to say: you always gotta take the shot at your goal. Inside, the lobby is doing double duty. It connects the pool on one side to the rink on the other. 4 NHL-sized rinks, an Olympic pool, and everything else a mid-sized city rec center could possibly need. This is the Brantford Area Sports Hall of Recognition. It was early enough in the morning that it was closed, so we get to see it when it's really quiet. No crowds, just the displays. The hall didn't open until 1985, 3 years after the building took Gretzky's name. And when it opened, it wasn't just about hockey. It honored 41 local athletes across every sport, all with ties to Brantford and the surrounding area. Both Wayne and Walter Gretzky are enshrined in here, and a lot of what's on display, the memorabilia, artifacts, it was actually donated by the Gretzky family themselves. So it isn't just a museum that bought its way to a collection. This stuff came directly from the source. It's not just the cases of memorabilia. There's an interactive touch zone screen where you can look up any inductee, trivia game, broadcast booth, and small theater, plus a dedicated Gretzky tribute area separate from the rest of the hall. From here, we head upstairs because the building has one more thing people don't really expect. This is a walking track that runs above the main arena. It's technically a concourse built for fans to move around during games, but it doubles as one of the best free indoor walking loops in the city. You get a full view down on the ice, and on game days, the same track is packed with people just trying to get to their seats. Right now, though, at this hour, it's just us. Quiet, empty, and honestly, a pretty peaceful way to get some steps in before the city wakes up. So this is the Wayne Gretzky Sports Centre, a rec center that predates its own name by a decade. A Hall of Fame built directly with the Gretzky's family's own memorabilia, and a walking track with some great views of the arena below. If you're ever passing through, it's worth a stop, even if you don't know a thing about hockey. It's just kind of cool.